Okay, my name is Matthew Miller, and this is my third oral annotation. And the article I'm annotating today is Prevalence of Obesity Among Adults from Rural and Urban Areas of the United States, finding from the NHANES from 2005 through 2008. The argument in this journal is that rural residents have higher rates of chronic diseases compared to their urban counterparts, and obesity may be a major contributor to this disparity. As for the methods, right below it, it says analysis of body mass index, or BMI, diet and physical activity from 7,325 urban and 1,490 rural adults in the 2005 to 2008 National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey. And then for the evidence, just below that, it says that the obesity prevalence was 39.6% among rural adults compared to 33.4% among urban adults. Prevalence of obesity remains significantly higher among rural compared to urban adults, controlling for demographic, diet, and physical activity variables. And then for the findings, we have to scroll down to the fourth page under the discussion, where it says the major finding of the study is a significantly higher prevalence of obesity in rural compared to urban adults in the United States. This is the first study comparing rural and urban obesity prevalence using BMI weight status classification based on measured height and weight. Then to the implications, we're going to scroll back up under the conclusions, where it says obesity is markedly higher among adults from rural versus urban areas in the United States, with estimates that are much higher than the rates suggested by studies with self-reported data. Obesity deserves greater attention in rural America. And then for the use of this journal in my paper, I imagine being able to use this journal plenty in my paper. A few of my other sources talk about how obesity affects different types of areas, such as rural and urban areas, talked about in this journal. It is valuable because it will be a good lead in one of my subsections of my paper, backed by other sources. It will work to answer my research question because it contains a good amount of data and info why rural residences have higher obesity rates. And that's it.